So right now I'm about to share with you on how to convert your profile into a Facebook page. Easy way. You can use this process using your mobile phone. So this is what I'm gonna do. So simply stick with me. So here you go direct into your Facebook, and as soon as you come here, all you gotta do, you go to your profile, and this is what you will get. And this is my profile. So all you gotta do is that you look for three dots here at the right corner. You can see three dots there, so you can simply click those three dots. Under those three dots you will see all this detail, this list of menu. All you gotta do, you look for this thing called turn on professional mode, and then you can simply press turn on professional mode. You can turn it on like that. So you can turn on. You simply click turn on, and the next move is okay. Now here we go. So after that, when you finish, you can simply refresh your page, or you can simply click back, okay, and then you can refresh. You can see that I have only 54 following and 351 followers. As you can see now, this thing is already paid. So that is how you can convert your profile into a page. Okay, so and again, also, if you want to go back and you want to change it, also you want to turn back, you want to make it as profile again, all you gotta do, you can simply click that and then turn up professional mode like that, and continue, and let's see what will happen. So we can turn it off. So let wait. Okay, there we can close that. Now we can refresh and we are going to see the impact. Look, now it become a normal profile again. So that is how you can convert your profile into a Facebook page. So do not forget that this is